Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will learn how to create neon glow in Adobe Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro. Here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm using this image. I have downloaded it from unsplash.com. Link will always be in the description box. Go and download the image and work with it. First of all, select the polygon tool, and on the top you can see their sides. Make it 3, hit enter. Now pressing shift, create a triangle just like so. For this we don't need any fill, so make it none. For the stroke I'm going with white color, or you can choose any color you want, but I recommend you to white. For stroke width I'm going with 25 pixels. Yes, it's good. Now place it just over there. Now create a copy by pressing Ctrl J. For the first one, double click on the right side and it will open up the layer styles. In layer styles, go to stroke. When you open the stroke panel, it will looks like so. Now from there choose a color. I recommend you to choose a very sharp color. I'm going with the red one, and for this one sharp blue, hit OK. Now hold Alt and click on this slider to make a copy. Same with this, just like so, hit OK. Make sure that in the position you have selected outside, not inside. Select outside and angle is 0 degree. I'm going with size 20 pixels or 18 pixels. Hit OK. It's looking good. Now for this, go to filter, blur, and choose Gaussian blur. It will ask you to convert to smart object. Hit convert to smart object. Change the value to 27. Hit OK. That's looking good. Now for this copy of polygon, right click and make it rasterize layer. Select your eraser tool. Make sure that foreground color is black and start painting over there. Again select this one, polygon, and rasterize layer. Same process with this. It's looking good. Create a copy of your background layer. Ctrl J. Hide this background layer. Go and select rectangle tool and create a rectangle of the same size. And for this one we don't need any stroke, we need only fill, that is black. Make behind the background copy just over there, and now select the eraser tool. Make sure that foreground color is black. It will ask you to convert it into the raster. Hit OK, and when you have created the rectangle, go to the background copy, and with the help of eraser tool start erasing the background, just I'm doing. Yes, we are done. Now when you have created this, simply create a new layer. On the top of all layers, select your brush tool, and in the brush tool go to the opacity, make it about 50%, flow also 50%, and select the soft brush. Increase the size. For the foreground color, go with this red color, just you have seen in the strokes. Hit OK and start painting over this. Just like so. Now go to the normal to soft light. It's looking good. Again, create a new layer over all of the layers. For the color, I'm going with this blue color and paint over this, just like so. Now same process, make it soft light. It's looking good. That's how you can create this neon glow effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified for such updates. Thanks.